In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an extension from Microsoft Edge. Whether you're trying to declutter your browser or getting rid of an extension you no longer use. This process is quick and straightforward. We'll start by opening your Microsoft Edge browser. Once you've opened it, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 horizontal dots. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and controlling your browser. From this drop-down menu, find and select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your browser to suit your needs. Now, look at the left-hand side of this page. You will see a menu panel with several different categories. Here, you want to click on Extensions. This will allow you to view and manage the extensions that are currently installed in your browser. On the page that appears, you'll be presented with a list of all the extensions you have installed. As an example, let's say you have Google Docs Offline installed. If you want to remove this or any other extension, scan through the list until you locate it. Once you find the extension you want to remove, you will see a button labeled Remove located just below the extension's name. Click on this Remove button. After clicking Remove, a confirmation dialog will pop up, asking you to confirm that you indeed want to remove the extension. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletion, so make sure you're certain before you proceed. Once you're sure, go ahead and click the Remove button in the confirmation dialog. And that's it. You've successfully removed an extension from Microsoft Edge. This process not only cleans up your browser, but can also improve its performance by reducing the number of running extensions. Keep in mind that while this demonstration used Google Docs Offline as an example, you can follow the exact same steps to remove any extension you have installed. Managing your extensions in this way allows you to create a more streamlined browsing experience tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If this video helped you, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Edge and other software efficiently. Happy browsing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next